Alright, if you don't go in the office now, you're going to jail. You hear me?
Just take me to jail, baby, if that's okay. But you're not going to you turning me back for?
Turn around and put your hands down.
My mother-in-law got my ticket! My mother-in-law has my ticket!
On the 24th of March 2024, at Universal Orlando, a trespassing investigation rapidly escalated into a physical arrest.
Hey, hold up. Hold up. Anybody need a bathroom? Where's the ticket?
My mother-in-law has it.
What?
My mother-in-law has it.
You better get it. We're gonna go. Let's go.
For what? What was the problem?
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out why
right
he's stopping me.
You don't have a ticket right now. You're in the park. Right now it's at theft of service, so let's go.
I'm at that for service.
Right now you are. You're in a park that you don't have a ticket for right now, so let's go over
I'm trying to figure out why this man stopping. He keeps trying to stop me from somebody I ain't even come
Let's go and we'll talk about it in the office. Let's go. I'm a police officer with the Orlando Police Department,
I understand.
so let's walk.
Let me call.
Well,
I'm trying to get my ticket.
When you can go in there and you can call in there, but we're gonna go into the office.
I don't have to get in the office. If you feel like I need to go, I can go.
I know. Let's go in the office.
I don't need to go in the office.
Listen, I'm a police officer. I'm giving you a lawful command. So you either go without handcuffs, or I'm gonna handcuff you and bring you in there.
Listen,
so walk on your own.
I don't need to go in the office. If you want me to leave, I can leave.
No, right now you're in a park you're not supposed to be in.
I have a ticket. My mother-in-law has my ticket.
But for now, we're gonna go in there.
No, I can leave out and tell my mother.
I'm giving you a lawful order.
That's fine.
Can you press charges?
Yeah. They're following me.
If not, we just make sure she comes out. Alright, if you don't go in the office now, you're going to jail. You hear me?
Just take me to jail, baby, if that's okay. But you're not going to you turning me back for?
Turn around and put your hands down.
My mother-in-law got my ticket! My mother-in-law has my ticket!
Oscar 371. I am in a resisting and IRA port of entry. Can I get one?
For no reason.
I need you to grab her arm.
Yep. Let me put my phone in my purse. Which one? Give me my phone first. Get off her, she got this, she got back up! Get off her! Back up!
Oscar 371, can I get a 45?
When I got a ticket! What are you doing? This is crazy!
Hold her on.
I have a ticket! I have a ticket, sir! You don't let me see my ticket! Somebody report! I have a ticket! She got a ticket! What are y'all doing? Y'all about to get sued for this shit, huh? Jimmy!
Stand up.
Jimmy, get my phone from them.
I am. Stand up.
Can you get my husband my phone? Whoever got my phone, can y'all get my husband? Baby, take my purse.
We will bypass the play-by-play narrative to focus strictly on the constitutional and legal frameworks at play. Under the Fourth Amendment and the Supreme Court ruling in Terry v. Ohio, officers can lawfully detain an individual if they have reasonable suspicion that a crime is occurring. Park security reporting a ticketless entry easily meets this threshold for Florida Statute 810.09, trespassing. To safely conduct this investigation, the officer issued a command to move to the security office. Relocating a detainee a short distance for administrative purposes during a Terry stop is a recognized lawful order. This brings us to Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. This law prohibits obstructing law enforcement in the lawful execution of a legal duty. Refusing to walk and demanding to leave while under investigative detention is a direct violation of this statute. A citizen's belief in their own innocence does not grant them the legal right to ignore police commands. Once the subject physically pulled away from the officer, the use of force framework was triggered. Under Graham v. Connor, force must be judged as objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective. The officer applied soft, empty hand control techniques to overcome the suspect's active physical resistance. Because no strikes or weapons were used, this level of force was proportional and legally sound.
Can you get my husband my phone?
Yep.
She got a ticket.
When you get up.
Can you get my husband my phone? Can you get my husband my phone, sir?
I got it, right.
I had no
Stand up.
motherfucking ticket. You didn't give me a chance.
Yeah, I gave you plenty of chances.
You didn't give me no
Stand
chance.
up.
I should have ran from your bitch ass.
Well, that's resisting already, so stand up.
I can't, baby.
Stand up.
Okay.
Stand up and get back.
Just get back, baby.
Stand up. Stand up.
That's why we scream Black Lives Matter, because I do that dumbass shit.
Stand up. Hey, make sure you stay back.
This is a police station. Go fucking fight this racist ass bastard. Put this shit on so motherfucking tight, and I got a whole ticket. You arrested me for saying I don't got a ticket? Somehow resisting arrest because I got a ticket. You telling me I don't got a ticket when I do? That shit don't make no sense.
Oscar 371, I have 1015.
This motherfucker
I don't need anyone else
slam
now.
me. This slam me down. You better be glad you're a police officer. I promise you that.
Have a seat.
You better be glad you're a police officer. You're a bitch. Put this gun on so tight you think that shit hurt me, baby, you don't.
I don't care. That's not the
don't
point.
either.
If you would have acted like a normal human being, you would have. No, you
I
didn't.
did. If you would act like a normal human being and listen to what
Sit down.
I told you, I'm standing.
What don't you understand?
What don't you understand?
I am a police officer.
What the f***?
I am jail.
Get
Sit
your
down.
sergeant. Get your sergeant. I want your sergeant.
Sit your ass down.
You f***ing rude ass.
Sit down.
You rude ass prick. Get your
Sit
sergeant.
down.
Get your
Sit down.
Are you serious?
Sit down.
Are you serious, motherfucker?
You're gonna go in my car.
Jimmy! Jimmy! This rude ass little is trying to slam me down.
Put her in my car for now.
Get your motherfucking sergeant. Cause you's a rude ass motherfucker.
You think you can do whatever you want. That's the problem.
That's the problem.
Get in the car.
Your racist ass think that. I don't think that. Your racist ass think that. Give me somebody that ain't racist.
Get in there.
Racist ass.
Get in the car.
Prick.
Get in the car.
Are you serious?
If you don't get in the car, I am gonna spray you.
Get in the car. Right now.
Are you serious?
Get in the car.
Get in the
Are you
car.
serious? You're racist.
Is that your wife?
Yes.
Do you have her ID on you?
Yo, she go to jail?
Probably, yeah.
Why?
Resisting right now, for sure.
Resistance?
Yeah, resisting arrest.
How did she resist if she had a ticket? How did she resist if she had a ticket? I'm not understanding.
Listen, now's not time to debate it. I just need her ID or...
Or what? Or what?
Well, I can ask her and then it'll just be another charge. If she
How would
doesn't...
it be another charge, though?
Because if she doesn't want to give it to me, then she's not identifying
give it to
herself. I'm saying right now she's not in the form to give it to us. That's why I'm trying to come to you, so she doesn't catch it. So she doesn't catch another charge.
It's crazy, bro.
So how much is your bond for that? Resisting arrest?
I'll give you all the information once I gotta talk to the other arresting officer. I'm just trying to avoid her catching another charge because she's very upset.
Because she got slammed down and she got a ticket.
I just got here. I'm just trying to avoid her getting another.
All that, man.
Yeah, we'll for sure get you all that in just a sec.
It don't make sense, bro. It don't make no sense. Tell her I said because she calmed down, dude. I think it's her. I got her passport. I can't find her ID. I don't know what her ID is, but that's her passport right here.
Do you mind if I hold on to that for a second?
Yeah. She's still going off back there?
I don't know. I walked up here. But yeah, she was. She wouldn't get in the car.
She wouldn't get in what car?
The police car.
So what, they wrestling her down and stuff?
No, we got her in the car, but I'm saying she didn't want to get in the car. Thank you. Are you from Florida?
I'm not.
What state are you from?
Can you get a sergeant? I'll be happy.
Yeah, there's one on the way.
I'm willing to talk to a sergeant.
Yes, there's one on the way.
Thank
I'm
you.
just trying to speed the process up for you, that's all.
That's okay. I'll be happy to talk to a sergeant.
Okay, so once you talk to... Okay, fair enough.
Thank you.
At the suspect's request, a sergeant responded to the scene and spoke to her.
Ma'am, your husband is not here to reduce this ticket, okay? And I have to ask you, this is what I have to ask. Have you been drinking today?
I have had a drink today.
Okay. Any illegal narcotics today?
I don't take drugs.
Okay, I have to ask. I'm not
And
accusing you of
it's fine that
anything.
you have to ask that. I don't do drugs.
Okay, but just something to drink. Okay. All right, so like I said...
My kids is on spring break and I'm on vacation. My kids is on spring break and I'm on vacation. More than I come in and expect to be slammed down on the ground in front of my kids.
Well, ma'am,
for no reason.
I got you.
I'm telling them I have a ticket.
But no, we have yet to see these tickets. How are you going to produce these tickets? Your husband
As I
left.
was walking out to give him my ticket, he didn't allow for me to show him.
Where's the ticket at that you was going to give him? That's what I'm
My
asking.
phone and everything is gone now. So
We have your phone.
I can't give that information. I don't know.
Okay. All right. Okay, ma'am.
While being moved to another car prior to transport, the suspect offered her final word on the situation.
He would have came at me a different type of way. He would have got a different type of response. He came at me rudely, and so he got that type of response. Don't come at me like that. Like I said, I'm not a criminal, and I had a ticket.
For this interaction, the Orlando police officer receives a B. He maintained legal justification, used appropriate force, and showed restraint against severe verbal abuse. However, utilizing better verbal judo in the first 30 seconds might have prevented the physical altercation. The subject, on the other hand, receives an F. She escalated an administrative check into a criminal arrest and later abandoned her legal obligations by fleeing bail. Here are 5 critical lessons we can learn from this incident. Lesson 1. The street is never the courtroom. You cannot physically argue your way out of a lawful police detention. Lesson 2. Innocence does not equal exemption. Even if you possess a valid ticket, you must comply with an active investigation. Lesson 3. Passive physical resistance is a crime. Pulling your arms away will trigger a resisting charge. Lesson 4. Your First Amendment right to insult an officer will not protect you from an arrest based on other legal grounds. Lesson 5. Fleeing the judicial process destroys your credibility. Jumping bail only guarantees a permanent warrant. Understanding these strict legal boundaries can prevent a minor misunderstanding from ruining your record. Let us know if there is a specific legal topic or interaction you would like us to analyze next. We appreciate you taking the time to learn about these constitutional issues with us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to check out our channel for even more police interactions.